Hello and welcome to another video. Today we have a British pound Japanese yen 240-minute chart, and I want to show you this Elliott wave here, and let's start. This is 1 or A, 2 or B, because we don't know this is ABC or this is trend. And for wave A or 1, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave pattern. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's clear this is A, B, C here. Let's type it. Okay, this is A, B, and C. Okay, let's see what we have in wave 3 or C. This is wave A. This is wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for wave 4, we don't know. We have a one triangle here. This A, B, C, D, E. Maybe we have a A, B, C, D, E. And then here, A, 3, or C. So maybe this is like this, and wave 3 or C. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget money management. Don't forget like and subscribe.